I'm gonna be pulling a 100,000 pound plane. You won't believe how far we pull it. Even the Ghostbusters decided to pull a plane. Right when I thought it was our turn to pull the plane, this group decided that they actually wanted to take this serious or something. They ended up just giving the plane a little tug. I'll show them what real strength looks like. Then it was finally time for my team to pull the plane. Whoever pulls the plane the farthest in 7 seconds gets first place. We started out slow, but with some determination, we finally got the plane moving. Then it was a breeze. Long story short, we ended up pulling the plane 12 feet and we didn't get first place.